Hello my friends, today's topic is entropy, higher consciousness and creation. In the laws of thermodynamics, there is a topic, entropy. If the temperature of an object increases, then entropy also increases. In the higher state of entropy, the electrons of that object becomes chaotic, becomes erratic, and in that state of erratic or chaotic movement, higher consciousness cannot be established. Your mind cannot reflect consciousness. Your mind cannot reach to the field of pure consciousness, the field of infinite possibilities. In our higher consciousness activism workshop, we just make your entropy as low as possible. And from that lowest level of entropy, your mind can reflect consciousness and reach to the field of infinite possibilities and fulfill every aspiration. This is the very modern scientific process of quantum physics. It is a total physics. Understand that mechanics. My number is given below in the description. Namaste.